Hi. Thanks for your interest in Orion Pro Wash. My name is Dan, and I'm one of the owners here. We're a family and veteran-owned soft washing company specializing in exterior cleaning. I wanted to take a quick moment and provide you with a little more information to help you choose the best provider for your exterior cleaning project. First and foremost, our top priority is to ensure you, your family, and your home are safe from unscrupulous characters. We are a third-party verified through Ask the Seal, which completes background checks on all of our team members. All team members are supplied with ID badges, and these badges can be scanned by the homeowner at the time of service to confirm their identity and background information. One of our most commonly asked questions is about plant protection and what we do to address their concerns. Our plant and property protection is quite thorough. Our 5-step wash program ensures that landscaping is hydrated throughout the washing service. After the wash is complete, we apply our plant wash to all landscaping surrounding the project. Our plant wash neutralizes any detergents that might have encountered the landscaping and refortifies the soil with healthy bacteria. This is a gypsum-based product that promotes healthy growth and leaves your landscaping looking better than when we arrived. We also believe that education and training help make a good company. Our team is trained annually to ensure we are up to date on new and improved procedures for exterior cleaning and soft washing. This is an extensive education platform created by Softwash Systems. Softwash Systems is the leading authority in the field of soft washing, providing the very best in education, equipment, and detergents. We hold the status of authorized professional within the Softwash Systems organization, and this can be verified by giving them a call to ensure that we are who we say we are. When it comes to our roof cleaning, we offer a 5-year certificate warranty. This is something which other companies have started to offer. The question you should ask yourself is, who is that warranty supported by? Our warranty is supported by us, as Orion Pro Wash, and 200 other companies nationwide through the network of Softwash Systems. If something were to happen here at Orion Pro Wash, you could be confident that a Softwash Systems network company will support that warranty for you. We also strive to be a green company as much as possible. Most of our washing systems are battery powered. The technology investment allows us to charge our batteries when the trucks are in motion, harnessing that extra energy to use later in our system without burning extra fossil fuels. All of our detergents that we use are low VOC, water-based, and biodegradable. These detergents break down into carbon and water within 20 days of their introduction into the environment. Thanks for taking the time to learn a little bit more about us, and we hope this helps you make the best decision for your project, and we look forward to serving you this season.